What's her name?
Boy.
How old are you?
5.
No, you're 2.
Oh, damn.
It's you. Can you tell me about yourself?
Baby.
You have a pee-pee? What else?
Monster.
You like monster trucks?
A shark.
Who are you?
Boat Nana.
Yeah, we put our trucks nay-nay, huh? Who are you?
Mama.
You're Batman? Are you silly, boy?
It's Sissy.
You're dancing?